Yo, what's going on, great people? Nick Shine here. Hope you guys are all having an amazing, phenomenal day, evening, afternoon. I guess it just all depends when you're catching in and tuning into this video. So in this video, I'm going to be dropping some golden nuggets, okay? Some golden bombs, value bombs, of course, that can literally just change your life, okay? Now, this applies to those who are looking to generate income online. And I'm going to give you pure meat and potatoes, okay? Good steak that you can actually take from this video and apply it to your life, apply it to your business, and just really just help you get to the next stage. All right. So with that being said, get you a pen, get you a notepad, get you something to drink, because you should be definitely taking notes. All right. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. Let's get to work. Let's go. So in 2024 and beyond, right, it's all about the digital economy. All right. Now, we live in a digital age. We live in an information age. And in the digital economy, it's all about knowledge, okay, and having an interest. So you have some knowledge, all right? There's something that you are knowledgeable about, right? There's an interest that you have, okay? And it's not about what your mother has for you, your father, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncle. It doesn't matter, right? It's not about what any of them have an interest in for you, okay? What this video is about is what you have an interest in, okay? You may be interested in basketball. You may be interested in gardening. You may be interested in race cars. You may be interested in painting, right? I don't know, but you do. And that's the only thing that matters in this video, okay? The key thing is understanding that you have an interest, right? And the next key thing is understanding that you do not need to be an expert at said interest in order for you to generate income. Listen, young people. Older people, listen, you do not have to be an expert at said interest in order for you to start generating income in that interest. You might be at a level 5 right now, right? And let's say you might be at a level 5 as far as, an interest of basketball, okay? And LeBron James, let's just say he's at a level 10, right? You don't have to be a level 10. You don't have to be at a level 10 in order for you to teach and show and coach and mentor level zeros. Listen, young people, older people, okay? You do not, even though you're at a level 5, it's okay that you're at a level 5, because being at a level 5, you know what it takes to get to a level 5. You know what hurdles you had to get over, right? You know what downfalls you had to overcome, okay? You understand the process of what it took for you to become a level 5. So you can share those problems. You can share that solution. You can share whatever it is that you had to overcome to get to level 5 with people who are at a level 0. Listen, this applies to anything that you may be interested in. I don't care what it is. It could be gardening. It can be basketball. It can be, tying shoes. I don't know what it is that you are interested in, but you know. And that's the only thing that matters, okay? Again, it's not about what your mother wants, what your mother's interested in for you, your father, your grandfather, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, your sister. Listen, whatever you have an interest in, okay? There is a group of people, millions of people out there, okay, in the world who also have the same interest, okay? And who also may be dealing with the same problems, okay? Who are also looking for the same solution, okay? From the thing that you solved. Whew. Listen, you got the juice. You got the sauce, baby, okay? You got to understand that, right? Once you've reached a certain level of knowledge in a certain interest, you must really and truly understand the value that you hold, okay? There's something that you know, okay? There's something that you know. And again, you do not need to be a level 10 expert for you to share your knowledge, okay? You do not have to be a level 10 expert for you to share your knowledge, all right? You can simply be a level 5 and coach and mentor and help and assist and solve problems for those who are at a level 0, all right? Now, when it comes to identifying and finding exactly what it is that you are interested in, okay, I highly recommend that you get a pen and a notepad, okay? You should have one right now. If you don't, go get it. Pause the video, go get you a notepad, go get you a pen, and start writing everything that I'm telling you right here, right now, today, all right? So once you've got your notepad, once you got your pen, simply list down top 10 things that you were interested in, okay? Again, I don't know what you're interested in, but you do, okay? And that's the only thing that matters, all right? Once you've written down the top things that you are interested in, okay? Next to that, write the level of expertise that you believe that you are at with said interest, okay? So let's say you may be interested in golf, right? You might be interested in golf, okay? But you're not an expert at golf and you're not a beginner at golf. But let's say you may be at a level 4, right? You're a level 4 golf player. Totally fine, right? Golf, 4. Basketball, 3. Hiking, 7. Swimming, 9. Whatever, right? Only you know your level of expertise. Only you know what knowledge that you hold. Only you know what hurdles you had to overcome in said interest, okay? And the golden ticket, the golden nugget here, okay, is packaging your experience, the hurdles that you had to get over, right? The knowledge that you had to, grasp, okay, to get at this said level, and sharing that, sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience, sharing the things that you had to overcome with other people who are on their way, who are at a level 0 right now, that have no idea as far as whatever that is. Okay? Listen. You know something. Okay? You have knowledge of something. It'll be so selfish of you if you were a doctor, right? Let's just say you were a doctor. And let's say you came up with a cure for, let's say, I don't know, a hip replacement or something, right? And there was no other doctor, or let's say there was other doctors, but they're whatever, right? But you came up with some kind of hip replacement or whatever, right? Do you think it'll be selfish for you to not give said information and knowledge to the people, or the people who need it, or who the people who are looking for it? Absolutely, right? It'll be so selfish. So there's something that okay? Listen, you got to believe, all right? You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be the LeBron James of basketball to teach teenagers, young kids, whoever it may be, right, to play basketball. You do not need to be a LeBron James, because LeBron James, he ain't got time to be teaching, 15, 20-year-olds how to play basketball. He don't have time for that. He might, I don't know, he might have a program or something like that, but whatever. You at a level 5 basketball player, or a mechanic, or an artist, or a gardener, or, a painter, a race car driver, whatever, right? I guarantee you, if there's people online right here, right now, today, searching this information that you have an interest in, and you simply give them value, you simply provide them with the knowledge, you share, you show your experiences, you show the things that you had to overcome, you share all the problems that you had to overcome, right? The solutions that you've discovered, right? Your wins, your losses, all the above. You share your story, and then you offer a solution to help. You offer a solution to help them with a PDF. You offer a solution to help them with a video course. You offer a solution to help them with your coaching program, okay? I guarantee you will find people, all right? You will find people who will gravitate towards you based on your level 5, okay? Who are level 1s. I guarantee you will find level 2s, level 1s, right? That'll come to you asking for help, asking for more information, saying, okay, what do I do when I come across this right here? And you have the knowledge already. You have the information to help them. Listen, in 2024 and beyond, this is a new way to generate an extra 2, 5, 10K per month. Become a problem solver. Listen, young people, older people, become a problem solver with the information, the knowledge that you have. All right? Let's get to work.